Welcome to Food Fight Showdown. On today's episode, we're at Dairy Queen. We're going to try a couple new Blizzard flavors. Are these any good? Let's find out. Cue the intro.
Food Fight Showdown.
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Before we try these Blizzards, I want to tell you a little bit about my rating system. I like to rate on a scale from 0 to 100, with 0 being
It tastes like feet.
and 100 being
So good.
okay. Let's try these Blizzards. The first one I want us to try, they're calling it Wonder Woman. I'm guessing because they're the new Wonder Woman movie's coming out, and I guess they're going to be promoting it. Let's see how it tastes. This is what it looks like. Close up. Starting to melt on me. Let's see how it tastes. That had some kind of candy bar piece in it. Let me try this again. I think that's Fudge Brownie. Let's see if there's anything else in here. One more bite. Okay, it's pretty good. Rating on this, I'm probably gonna go an even 80 on this. It's pretty good. I like this one. Let's try the next one. The next one I got was the Rocky Road. Oh, it's starting to melt. That's what it looks like close up. Let's see if we can get this without making a mess. Should have got some kind of lid. Let's see how it tastes. Boy, it's leaking everywhere. Okay, it's got a good taste as well. I think I like the first one better. It's got looks like pieces of chocolate, and I'm getting some peanuts and stuff. It's good, but I don't think I like it as well as the last one I tried. Maybe some marshmallow as well in there. This one, I'm probably gonna go 69. It's got a good taste, but it's not a great taste. I would stick with that one. My favorite Blizzard is probably the Butterfinger, and I like the Snicker as well. In the comment section down below, what is your favorite Blizzard? What do you think is the best Blizzard? Well, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video.
Food Fight Showdown.